Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching my very first video of 2018. I know it's been a very long time since I've uploaded a video, and well, I am back. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Pakou, and if you've been here before, then welcome back guys. I miss you guys a lot. So today's video, I am back with just a really simple tutorial using the new Milani Most Love Matte palette, but this is kind of pretty much what it looks like. It's super pretty. If you are into neutral colors and matte eyeshadow, this is definitely a great pickup. I will be making another tutorial using the more dramatic one, the Bold Obsession. This one has a little bit more different textures of eyeshadow, so you'll see some satin, some mattes, and some, foiled. So stay tuned for that. And if you want to get updated for that, just click the subscribe button and click on the little bell, so that way you'll be notified whenever I upload that tutorial. So as always, everything will be listed down in the description box below, and my social media. Definitely follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of pictures of myself and just random things in life, and also client pictures as well. So follow me down there, and so we can be friends. So if you're interested in seeing how I get this beautiful look, then just keep watching. So we are going to use the Milani Most Love Matte palette today. I have already done my eyebrows, my foundation, and prepped my eyes before the tutorial so we can get started. I'm going to take this soft tan color called Toast of the Town, and I'm applying this onto my crease and above my crease area. This is going to be the transition base color for the rest of the eyeshadows. Next, I am taking this reddish brown color called Umber the Sun, and we are going to focus this on the outer corner. I'm applying this above my crease still as well, and then I'm slowly bringing it in. This is going to create a bigger eye effect for me, and you will also notice throughout the video I have a clean blending brush the whole time to buff out any of the edges. I'm taking this dark plum brown color called Don't Raise in Your Voice, and we are going to focus this more on the outer corner and the outer V. I'm keeping this right just up to my crease area as well. As you can see, I'm still using the same brush for all three of these shadows, the Morphe M433. This fits perfectly for my eye shape, so it's just very convenient. Now I'm going to take an even smaller blending brush and a black eyeshadow, and we are going to focus this even more precisely in the outer V. You'll notice that I'm also slowly bringing it in towards my lash line, and then also slightly blending it outwards to create a very soft, hazy wing liner effect. Then I'm going to take the dark brown color before and buff out the edges of the black. I purchased the two Milani palettes for around $15. However, I did hear that in some cities or stores they are retailed for $20. Now, I personally do think that it's very pricey for a drugstore product, even though Milani is a very good brand and I do love their products. With that being said, however, I do really like the palettes. The eyeshadows are not powdery and they blend with each other very nicely and smoothly. There was no difficulty trying to blend any blotches for me. The packaging is also very high-end, and I like how it's compact and it's a good size for travel, plus the mirror is actually useful. I can see myself grabbing these two palettes a lot. Now, of course, the colors are quite neutral, so on certain skin tones they probably will not show. Even though this is the case, I still do recommend these palettes for you guys to give them a try. When I saw them, I was actually able to swatch them first before purchasing, so hopefully you guys can do that as well. Now I'm just going to fast forward and do my wing eyeliner. I am using the Loreal Studio Gel Pot to do my wing. If you would like a more detailed tutorial on how I do my wing liner, just comment down below and let me know. I do have very uneven eyelids and a smaller eyelid space, so if you have the same situation, I would love to make a more detailed video for you. So just comment down below and let me know, and I can definitely do that. I'm just going to apply some falsies. I got these off of Amazon from a brand named Lasgoose. I will try to link it down below because I do not remember the number or style of it. Now I'm just going to do the same thing with the eyeshadows on the top to my bottom lash line. I am also keeping the inner corner without any eyeshadow just because it creates, again, a bigger eye effect. You can definitely add an eyeliner or bring the eyeshadow all the way through, or add more of a shimmer effect right there in the tear duct. So I changed my mind and took the lightest shade in the palette and applied it over my lid space. This will just create a higher contrast to the eyeshadow. You can definitely do this if you'd like, or you can totally skip it. This was just my personal preference. And that's pretty much it for the eyeshadow look. Now let's go ahead and jump into the rest of the face makeup. To contour the skin, I'm going to take Too Faced Chocolate Bronzer and I'm going to apply this on my cheekbones, my jaw, the side of my face, and my forehead. I have a pretty round and wider face, so I go quite heavy with the bronzer and the contour. Next, I'm going to take this Bronze Essentials palette and I'm going to apply it over my contour to add a little bit more warmth and shimmer and glow to my skin. I'm taking the Lorac LA Blush palette in the color Ray, which is like a muted pink color, and I'm just applying a little bit onto my cheeks just to add a little bit of color. I'm going to add a little bit of a highlight base, so I'm going to take ColourPop Super Shock Cheek color in the color Wisp, and I'm going to apply this with the Morphe Gunmetal G39 brush. This is actually a really great brush for cream products on the face. Definitely check out this line. Now to top that off, I'm going to use Anastasia's Nicole Guerrero's highlight palette in the color Glow Getter, and I'm taking a small blending brush and I'm just going to apply this mainly on the very high points of my cheeks. For lip color, I decided to go with a Dusty Rose Gold Metallic lip. I'm taking this lip pencil from the brand Nabi and I'm just creating a really light wash on my lips and also outlining my lips to create more definition. Then to finally top it off, I'm going to use Pretty Vulgar Metallic Lip Color in the shade My Lips Are Sealed, and I'm just going to apply this onto my lips really lightly to add more gloss, sheen, and metallic finish. And that's pretty much it for the whole look. I hope you guys like it. So that is it for my tutorial. I hope you guys liked it and you guys learned something from it. And like I said, if you like it or don't like it, comment down below and let me know and give me some of your video suggestions. For those of you that have commented and asked me, you know, when I'm gonna start making video again, thank you so much for still asking me and kind of supporting me. I really appreciate that very, very much. So again, thank you so much for watching my video and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!